Yeah, he just sneezed. Hey, Kian. Are you crying? Don't even think about crying. Guess who's 2 months old today? Look, he cannot smile, guys. Guess who's 2 months old today? Guess who's 2 months old today? Guess who's 2 months old today? My Kian is 2 months old. Oh my God, guys. It's like a dream of the night. Kian is 2 months old. Kian cannot smile. Look at him. Did you see that smile?
Yeah, I see it.
Did you guys see it?
Wow.
He is talking to you guys as a smile. He just said, hello SS1, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be giving you guys a quick update about Mr. Here, Kian. If you are just seeing this face for the first time, I am a food and lifestyle vlogger, Nigeria living in Canada. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Yes, we are growing. Let's get us more subscribers, more viewers. Yes, guys, subscribe, like, and share. That is the way you can help more people to know about the SS Fam. I love you all as usual. Thank you so much for always watching. We love you all. We appreciate you all. Today, Kian is 2 months old, and in Canada, once they are 2 months, this is when they take their official immunization. So we're going to be taking him to the hospital much later for his first immunization, and we're going to be bringing you guys along. Before we go, I want to give you guys a quick update. As you can see, Kian can smile now. Kian can see very well now. He recognized me from distance. He knows I am the one. So if he's so you must not let me forget what I want to say. Kian can mumble words. You hear him doing, he cannot, he can talk in his own way now, going about blah, 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 and he can see me very well. The sleeping routine has not changed. The sleeping routine is still a huge hustle. Don't cry, baby. Don't cry. My Kian is 2 months old. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening, underneath the moon. Oh, Kian. I love you. Did you guys see that smile? Look at him. Okay, stay here now. So guys, we are still doing exclusive breastfeeding. This is 2 months into exclusive breastfeeding. Yes, I am still not pumping. It's just direct feeding. Yes, that's what has been going on. And you guys know I normally upload twice a week, but I've been slacking behind. I won't blame anyone for it, because some of you already know that all my videos that, I make videos. So after making the video, I leave them in my disk. When I want to upload, I just go there, edit them, and upload them. And all of a sudden, my disk said not readable, so I don't have, lots of my videos are gone. So this is just me, like, starting from the beginning, no video in anything. Yes, all the videos are gone. Sit down. Kayla, behave yourself. So another quick update is that my husband is done with his omugwo. My husband is done with his omugwo. He has gone back to work. So it's just me and my kids, and I'm back with my mommy duty. Yes, he gave me a whole 1 month break. He was doing the cooking and everything. I was just upstairs, not coming down. But now, boom, we're back to reality. He's back to work. He's back to work, guys. It's me and my kids. So we're going to be giving Kian immunization later. You can obviously tell it's money or Ryan, come on, sit down. Ryan is here, Kayla is here. It's only Janet that is going to school in Canada. You start school once you are 4. So Ryan is going to be 4 very soon. His birthday is loading. And my anniversary is coming very soon too. Yes, guys. All of that's for them. Yeah, everybody's doing a mugwo. Kayla is still doing a mugwo. Kayla can hold the baby. Yeah, Ryan can hold the baby. This is what we do. I'm a bit hot. I don't even know why.
Because you wore the shirt. The shirt. And that's why you get hot.
That's why I'm hot.
Yeah, you wear a thick shirt. That's why you get hot.
Mommy. Yeah. Ryan said that's why. Ryan is explaining to me why I'm hot. Okay, Ryan's tongue. Here you go. Ryan, don't tighten too much. He's not having it. You guys should sing for him. Oh yeah, sing. Sing for the baby. Two of you can sing. Don't tell him shush. Oh yeah, sing. On the treetop, when the wind blows, the cradle we rock. When the bunch breaks, Ryan will say, baby cradle and all. Yes, that's what Ryan normally say. Ryan say, Ryan will say, baby cradle and all.
Yeah, that's what superheroes do.
Yeah, that's what superheroes do. Guys, lack of sleep is a real hustle. Like, sometimes when I am really feeling sleepy, like I want to sleep, I am dying of sleep, I want to sleep, that is when the baby will wake up and say, Mommy, you're not sleeping. If you have not been following me on Instagram, follow me. I put everyday story there. Follow me on Instagram at the SS Farms World. The SS Farm, all you need to do is just add word to it, WORLD, the SS Farm World. So just follow me on Instagram so you can be checking out the stories and see what we are doing there. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much everyone for always watching. I'm going to be taking you guys along to the immunization center. Yes. And I am still doing the exercise for Kenyan. Kenyan is still doing his exercise. Look at him. Stop. He's still doing his exercise routine. When I'm done bathing him, I massage his body. You see? Bum bum. He's still doing his exercise routine. He's used to it. He's not crying. He is so used to his exercise and he doesn't cry. He's so used to his body massage. Even when I do it, from day one, he doesn't cry. He just enjoyed it. Strong man, right? Strong man, right? Strong man, right? Here you go. Look at that smile. Strong man, right? Strong man, right? Strong man.
Right?
Strong man.
He's a strong man. Mommy, he's a strong man like me.
Yes, he's a strong man like you. Yeah. Oh. He's telling a story, guys. He's telling you guys good. You will not believe I've woken up since around 3. Since 3, this baby has been up. Since 3, I have been up. I have been up. The good thing about Kenyan, he doesn't cry. So when he's being cranky, when he's just like, you know, you want to feed. If you put him back to bed, he does not want to sleep. When you hold him like this, he does not have trouble. He's not troubling me. He's not crying, like giving me that annoying tears that will be super frustrating. I'm coping well. And Kayla, each time Kenyan is up, Kayla too will follow. Kayla will follow. So guys, that is the reason why, for those of you that are used to my upload of twice a week and have not been uploading twice a week, please give me time. That's why I lost all my videos. The video that I did when my husband was doing the omugo for me, I'm like, okay, after he goes back to work, you see now, they are here talking, and when somebody has something to say, you are saying something before you know, one child interrupts you. Sometimes you even forget what you want to say. So, so that's the reason why. So bear with me. All the videos are gone. My husband really helped me during the omugo, and I make lots of videos that I was supposed to be uploading anyhow. But God has a better plan for us, and when it's something bad or something good happened to me, I always remember to say thank you, Jesus. It was painful. I even cried. Yeah, it was painful when the disc said no read, but I thought I would have solution. We took it for repair. We did everything. They said the only solution is for me to format the disc. I still have not formatted it though, but I just bought, my husband bought me a new one, so I'll be making a new video. But I'm grateful to God. I thank God for it. So guys, Kenyan is 2 months today and he's here for his vaccine. So I'm going to be exposing his tie for the nurse to come and give him the injection. Yeah, how time flies. He's 2 months today. Yeah. I hope Kian will be able to. Why are you putting your jacket, Kayla? I hope Kian will be able to handle the injection.
Can I just see Michaela's immunization record?
Yeah.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thanks. We brought Kian to the hospital to take his very first vaccine. He's 2 months old today. Yeah. He's here. We are waiting for the nurse. They're going to give him here, not here. Hi, Kian. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is how their card look like. This is Ryan's one. So today they're going to be giving Kian his own. So, let's wait for the nurse to come.
Okay. How's that?
Really doesn't throw up. I said it. I can help
Oh,
you.
sure, for sure.
He doesn't like taking any drugs.
No way.
Mm-hmm. Let me spit that Kian. Take it. No, but thanks.
You're welcome. Keep it in.
No, he doesn't like it.
At 2 months, it's quite common for them to try to spit most of it out. He'll get more at 4 and 6 months.
Come on, buddy. Take it in. Swallow it. Yes, it's 2 months old today. Ay, you feel that? Oh my goodness. We're almost done. Say hello, baby. Goo goo gaga.
Perfect.
All down.
All done.
All down.
So now for the needles, we'll do one in each thigh. So we'll
Yeah.
just turn her around to face us.
Okay.
On top.
The sweet everything.
Good job. I know, now not the super fun party.
Yeah, buddy. Don't say mommy hold you for them. It's all on the nurse, not
I
me.
know. I'm sorry, sweetie.
He didn't cry. Oh, strong man. That's okay. Good boy. Look at you.
Okay.
Awesome,
Now we'll
kid.
switch to the other side.
Awesome, kid.
And I'll get you to make sure to hold on to his little arm, okay?
Awesome, kid. One more.
Last
One more.
Okay.
You can do. Oh,
I'm
that's
sorry.
Oh, you done. You
I
done.
know. That one hurts.
You're done, buddy. Look. Look.
There we go. All done.
Great man. Hey, that's my son. Oh, Dogu.
Perfect.
Each tie, right?
It could either be the arm or the thigh, whatever you think will go better for
I think
her.
that tie is ready.
Thigh? Okay.
Good girl.
Why should I take that time? Last time.
Arm should have taken
Yeah.
that.
I can help you.
Estella is a strong girl. You see how she didn't cry.
She is strong.
She's
for
so
sure.
strong.
Oh, I know. Make sure to hold on to this arm, Mom, okay? All done.
Awesome. Sorry. That's a good girl.
She
That's
is
a good girl.
awesome.
The last time she didn't even say ow.
Good.
Awesome, Kayla. One more.
Last one,
One
sweetie.
more. Mommy's gonna give you Pastico. Pastico.
Oh
Wanna
my
get to the
goodness.
Pastico.
All done. I know, sweetie. All done.
Yay!
All done. All done.
You did see? Kian did not cry, guys. Look. He did not cry. Up to now, he's still not crying. He is not cranky. He is not cranky. He is not cranky. I'm so proud of you. Odogu. Aye. Mommy is so proud of you. Mommy is so proud of you. Mommy is so proud of you. Even Kayla, look at Kayla. Kayla is not crying. She's not crying. Did you, Kayla? Did that Pastico right? Kayla, oh, say something. Say hello, SS4.
I'm gonna answer.
Say hello, SS4.
Hi.
How you all doing? How you all doing? So guys, we are done with the immunization. We'll see you guys when we get to the house. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Peace.
We out.
Peace.
We
out.
out.
Peace. We
out. 1, 2.
Guys, look at my backyard.
Hello.
Let me open the door.
Bus. Bus. Bus.
Oh my god, it's so cold. It's windy and it's snowing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at how full my backyard is looking with all of this snow. Oh my goodness. It's cold.